Kevin, this is the place that Jimmy brought all of that concrete and extra dirt, brought it up here to be recycled and reclaimed, so he dumps it at different places. And this is John Tucker right here. He's the manager.
Hey, Kevin, nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you.
Hey, John.
Tom, how's it going?
He's going to tell us what happens to the stuff once it gets dumped here.
Well, Kevin, first truck comes in on the scale. As the truck comes in, gets weighed or his tonnage, gets separated from whatever material he has, whether it's concrete, asphalt, or brick at the bottom.
So different materials, different piles, keep it all separate.
Correct.
And then once you've got the piles all figured out, how do you guys process it?
I got big machines for that.
Ooh.
So Kevin, these are the big machines that I was talking about. This is the excavator. The truck that dumps here, the material will be then moved to him, and he will dictate what he wants to put through our crushers. He's looking for size. Anything 3 feet or smaller can go through. Anything bigger, he separates to the side. We go later on, we'll break it down and then add it to the crusher later.
Okay.
He's also looking for undesirables, metals, wood, anything that should not be in the product or that could damage our crushers throughout the day.
Got it.
So he puts it through the crusher. It then goes through the jaw, which is your primary. It's the big red one in the front. That will take a 3-foot rock and crush it down to 6 inches or smaller.
Nice.
It will then come out the end and transfers up that green conveyor belt in front of the tower.
Yep.
I have someone in that tower every moment of the day. That machine's running. He has to be in there looking for undesirables that possibly he missed or that the magnet missed on the crusher.
And if you see something, is he literally picking it off?
He is literally picking it up, and he's got big barrels in there with him, and he's then picking up and separating it. Wood, metal, trash.
So you're actually recycling all the metal also?
Correct. We recycle that also.
What's it going into next?
It is coming up that conveyor belt 6 inches or smaller, and it's feeding that green screen. Exactly what it is. It's a screen. It's got 3 decks on it. And those decks are sizes, and it tells the material which way to go. Anything or an inch or smaller will come out and proceed up that last conveyor belt that you can see stacking up. And that's your finished product.
So you're looking for a finished product of 1 inch or smaller?
Correct. That's
and
our
if it's not small enough when it hits that screen?
Anything bigger than an inch will then go out the front of it. And that goes into what you call your secondary cone crusher. Now that cone crusher will then take, same idea, will take the 6 inches or smaller and crush it right down to
So
1 inch or smaller.
it crushes a 6 inch again and makes it smaller?
Correct. It throws it in, picture a big ice cream cone upside down. And it crushes it in, and it crushes against itself. They'll just keep recycling through until it eventually all gets crushed to an inch or smaller. Wow. So this is our final product that we sell. We use it in roads, foundations, floors, anywhere you would need compactability.
So what do you think, Tommy? You gonna inspect it?
I think it's pretty good. You know what? I bet you Jimmy's going to bring some of this back to go under our new driveway.
That's awesome, coming full cycle.
Yeah.
All right, John, well, I appreciate the tour and having you show us around.
Thanks, John.
Tom?
Nice meeting you. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.